enjoyed Santa Fe for many years before deciding to build. We got a chance to meet Zachary Sons through touring a couple of their homes and really appreciating the architecture and the design that they put into the properties.
For me, it's almost like it's part of me because that's what I know. You get to see the history, the tradition, the architecture of Santa Fe, the craftsmanship, and I think that those are some of the values that Zachary Sons has. Tradition, craftsmanship, and a long history of building homes.
The thing that makes this really different is that you're dealing with someone who cares about your house. You know, most of the firms, you know, they have superintendents or project managers, and we have those also. But all the project managers and all the superintendents, they're under one of my sons. And my sons care about this business because they're the future of it, because they're young and they're going to continue with it. And so when you're working with us, you know that you're in good hands.
I think a lot of people are intimidated by the whole process, spending a lot of money making big decisions, and working with these guys makes clients feel at ease.
We're not just comprised of 3 people. I mean, we have architects that we work with, interior designers that really bring a home together.
When you sign on with Zachary Sons, you get a personal touch that is involved, that is stemmed down from generations of building. It's all started from my father and his father and his father. So you're going to get a more hands-on, personal approach.
It's the most personal thing you can do is work with people on their home. It's really great. I mean, it's really great to see a family evolve and really want to put out a great product for our community.
We help them from the beginning to the end. We help them to get started. We can help them buy their lot. We can help them find their architect. We can help them find the interior person and help them select everything from the beginning to the end, that they don't have to worry about having to make any decision on their own. There's always someone to help them in every different decision.
We love our house. In fact, we were supposed to be splitting time between Texas and here, and after being here, we gave up on Texas. We're full-time Santa fans now. We can totally relax in this house. It's a different vibe than anywhere I've ever lived.
We're super happy where they took our initial thoughts and designs and turned it into something real.
We have nothing but great things to say about the entire family. It was a delight to work with them.
It was super collaborative with them. They did a phenomenal job building for us up here.
This is what we do, and we have to do it good to continue our business.
Our #1 goal is to help people build their dream home. I'm Zachary Schultz, and I'm president of Zachary Sons Homes.